Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host, Gamer, and today is a special day in many ways. First of all, we are going to do a smartphone unboxing, and I'll tell you about that in just a moment. If you haven't seen any of my unboxing videos, we have a bit of fun. All the products, technology, it's all real, but we just like to have a bit of fun with it. All right, and thank you, 80,000 views. I've had over 80,000 views on my channel, and that's just fantastic. And today I'm going to very quickly, thank a few people that either subscribed or commented on my channel. So if I've missed you, just go ahead and place a positive comment on the channel and we'll mention you the next time. So Yvonne Cantonal, thank you. Alex Silva, PC on a Budget, React Carter, Remy Sartar, Alkeys 90, James Workman, Adian Harrison, Orakel, Fellow 8 Tell Weird, Arsenal 986, Daz, Joe McGinnis, Michael Zeidel, Dr. Lyons, Danny Bradley, KCAR9, Joshua Martinez, Emma, Neil Rain, Anure Kumar, and Davy Jones. Thank you for commenting and subscribing. I appreciate it. My next video that I'm working on has to do with a video card performance of a brand new video card and comparing it to what I have, and you're going to be shocked and surprised. So make sure you tune in for that next one. Now, what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, this is the OPPO 5. Okay, this is the OPPO Find X5 Lite with Wi-Fi 6. That's right, my first Wi-Fi 6 phone, and I'm excited. We got the Wi-Fi 6 in the house. I've got it on the PC, the ASUS, and I've done a video about the Wi-Fi performance of the ASUS motherboard. That's using the 12700K, so it's the Z690 series of motherboard and the Pro Wi-Fi. So I'll put a link so that you can have a look at that if you're interested. It shows how you put the antenna together and then the phenomenal performance. All right, so what have we got here? All right. Okay, so we're all sealed up. So ready to go. Okay. What the? Are you kidding me? SD card ejector. OPPO guy. Need a magnifying glass for that. Oh, look at that. Nice clear case. Safety guide. Oh, we gotta be safe. Watch out. And recycle mobile. Here we go. Couldn't quite make it. There we go. Okay. So we got that. Ireland. English Ireland. Wait a second. Okay, we'll just select. Oh, New Zealand. Yeah, we'll select New Zealand. English. Next. Well, I put that free case on here, and I've updated it to the most recent version of Android, 12.7. Okay, and so this is the OPPO Find X5 Lite, and what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Wi-Fi 6. Okay. So I currently have a Deco AX1800 Super Mesh Wi-Fi system, okay, installed, and I've got the Prime Z690P Wi-Fi D4 motherboard. Okay, so what we have here is also a Zenfone 4 from 2017. So we're just doing some Wi-Fi testing, Wi-Fi speed testing. I've got one result here from the new OPPO X5 Lite 5G phone. Now, I have not put a SIM card within this phone. I'm only using Wi-Fi. So we've got a result of 374 megabits per second. Okay. Now I've done a Zenfone 4 test, which is Wi-Fi 5 AC. The OPPO is AX Wi-Fi 6. I've got a result of 229. Okay. Okay, so we've got the Ethernet running, and then the Wi-Fi 6 runs off of that. So I'll just show you what it is here. Okay, so we've got the Deco Next Gen AX1800 Home Mesh Wi-Fi system. Okay, it is Wi-Fi 6. Okay, and along with that, we've got the Prime Z690P Wi-Fi D4. And as you can see, Wi-Fi 6. Selected the same settings as I did on the OPPO. For Firefox. Okay, so we're going to get a higher number now. Okay. So let's go with this. This is 333 megabits per second. using Wi-Fi 5 AC, a Zenfone 4 from 2017 model. Okay, that's ASUS makes that phone. Okay, so that's about our best result, I think, so far. 464 megabits per second. And our last test was 333 megabits per second using the Firefox browser installed today. And Firefox browser as well installed today, 464 megabits per second. Now, here is a Wi-Fi 6 test using the Prime Z690P Wi-Fi D4 motherboard. Okay, that's 727 megabits per second download and 105 megabits per second upload. The Deco AX 1800 Super Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system is what we're using. Well, we saw some interesting results there. A little bit disappointing. I was hoping that OPPO phone could have the same speed as my ASUS motherboard. Well, it doesn't. At least I'm not getting close to the results that I would like to see. So we've got around a bit over 900 megabits per second coming through the wall, through the Ethernet and the computer. If I unplug that connection and start using the Wi-Fi from the motherboard, we get a bit over 700, which is absolutely fantastic. When we use the OPPO phone in the Wi-Fi 6 network, yeah, we don't get close to that. We're a bit off. So we'll just have to wait and see how this phone goes, see whether we like it or not. And if you'd like to see some more videos on a wide variety of technology subjects, all you have to do is subscribe and you'll get notified when those videos are ready. Don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.